Firefighters put their lives on the line to save others, but by doing so, it can impact their health. Firefighters in Williamsport are taking proactive steps to keep their health front of mind. Newswatch 16's Mackenzie Ocker has information on crucial cancer screenings for firefighters.
Over the next 3 days, firefighters with the Williamsport Bureau of Fire will be reporting to the Swift building on Lycoming Street in Williamsport. They're not gearing up to fight fires here, but getting screened for cancer through the United Diagnostic Services.
They're going to start with testing on your thyroid, your carotid arteries, your aortic. They're going to do a bladder scan, an external liver, spleen, stomach, and they're looking for any kind of abnormal, I don't want to say nodules, but something that would show up on an ultrasound.
The Bureau says firefighters are at a higher risk of getting cancer than the general public. And when they tested their active members last year, 90% of them had found they had a health-related issue.
Whether it would be an issue with their thyroid or maybe just an enlarged aortic issue or things they may have already known about, but it was something that they found and confirmed that they could take to their doctor and follow up with.
So the Bureau put out the call over the winter to raise enough money for active and retired volunteers to get screened. Todd Arthur is one of those retired firefighters. He volunteered for 40 years.
Just the items that burn in fires are much more intense today, and that's because of the plastics.
Arthur says going for a cancer screening is something all firefighters should look into.
This is a call across the state for every volunteer and every career department to have a push for every one of their members to have this testing completed.
This cancer screening is the first of many. The Williamsport Bureau of Fire also wants to provide members with the blood test screening. So far, they raised $26,000. The total cost for the blood test is $52,000.
So we can get a baseline. In 2024, we got a baseline of these two tests, and then we can look for the next couple of years to try to, hopefully there's legislation out in the future that'll be there to help pay for the insurance, but if not, in the meantime, we have time to raise money to get that test again.
For information on how you can donate to the Williamsport Bureau of Fire, head to our website, WNEP.com. Mackenzie Ocker, Newswatch 16, Williamsport.